2 words: Exynos redemption. Samsung dropped the most dramatic "we fixed it" trailer in history, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra is the proof. Apple went orange. Samsung said cute and pulled out a deep purple Ultra that's about to break the internet. And yeah, they finally fixed everything we roasted them for. Buckle up. First thing hitting us straight from Samsung. The official Exynos 2600 trailer just dropped, and bro, it goes hard. In silence, we listened. They literally started the video admitting the old chips had issues, then hit us with refined at the core, optimized at every level. This is the world's first 2nm chip in a phone. Early benchmarks are cooking Snapdragon level numbers, and Samsung even added new cooling tech so it doesn't melt your hand. The base S26 and S26 Plus will rock Exynos 2600 in most countries. But good news, the Ultra stays 100% Snapdragon worldwide. Redemption arc loading. Next, the colors are basically confirmed. 6 official wallpapers leaked for the whole lineup, and Ice Universe already told us which ones belong to the Ultra. Deep purple, the hero color this year. Samsung's gonna spam it everywhere. Titanium black with black frames. Titanium silver with silver frames. Still no word if purple gets purple frames or silver ones. But either way, it looks classy as hell, and it's not copying that orange iPhone 17 shade, thank God. The orange wallpaper is almost definitely for the regular S26 and S26 Plus. Expect that spicy citrus finish. Okay, if you're sitting there nodding like, yo, this actually sounds fire, do me a quick solid. Smash that like button right now. Takes half a second and pushes this to more Samsung fans. And if you got a friend still on an S23 or S24, share this video to them real quick. Also drop in the comments, purple gang, black gang, or silver gang. I read every single one. Let's go. Charging is getting the upgrade we've been begging for. Wireless on the Ultra jumps from 15W to 25W. Base and Plus hit 20W. And every model now has built-in magnets for perfect Qi 2 snapping. Samsung's also dropping a brand new 25W magnetic charger. Fingers crossed it's the 3-in-1 that juices phone, watch, and buds together. Wired? 60W super fast charging 3.0, 0 to full in way under an hour. Pair that with a rumored 5,200 mAh battery and these crazy efficient chips, you might actually forget your charger exists. Camera talk real quick. No giant hardware revolution this year. But the Ultra gets a new 12MP 3x sensor, variable aperture on the 200MP main that murders low-light shots, and ProVisual Engine 2.0 that basically deletes blur from your life. Base S26 and Plus keep last year's cameras. Kind of disappointing, but at least the base model now starts at 256GB, bigger battery, and 0.3mm thinner. So yeah, the Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't flipping the table. It's polishing everything we already loved and fixing everything we complained about. Faster charging, cooler Exynos comeback, that gorgeous purple, and insane efficiency. January 2026 is about to be spicy. Drop in the comments right now. Purple, black, or silver. And are we finally done hating on Exynos this year? Smash like if you're hyped, subscribe and turn notifications on, because unpacked leaks are about to go nuclear, and I'll catch you in the next one. You're the real one for staying till the end. Talk soon.